got our ramp through National Ramp. Due to my husband's mobility, due to advanced Parkinson's disease, I wasn't able to get him out of the house safely. His mobility getting more limited, we needed the ramp. It's made our life absolutely wonderful. I can get him in and out by myself with the use of his walker. I absolutely love the grip on that ramp because my husband has to wear shoes as opposed to a sneaker thing, and with the leather soles, this grip keeps him from slipping on that ramp because the ice and snow doesn't build up on the ramp, so I can take my husband out in any kind of weather. It's not slippery. I feel the construction is very well done. The stability is great, and I know for a fact that it's heavy duty like I want it because I have a daughter and son-in-law and a grandson who's handicapped, and he weighs about 400 pounds, and he had absolutely no problem with that, and neither did the ramp. The way the National Ramp has helped me with my husband and my grandson, I don't have the fear of them falling when they come to visit me or my husband's in and out of the house. The stability of that ramp, the grip that it has when they're walking on it, I feel so comfortable with it. I can't thank National Ramp enough for it. Thank you.